Want to have another way to quickly open the camera on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? There's a hidden shortcut that takes you straight to photo mode. No need to unlock, swipe, or search. Let me show you how to use the photo shortcut on the Edge panel. First, you have to make sure that the task panel is on and photo is added to this panel. To do so, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel, and then tap the gear icon to customize your panel. Swipe through the panels and make sure that the task panel is turned on. Tap Edit at the bottom of the task panel. Under Camera section, tap Photo to add the shortcut to the task panel. Close the setting. Next, open the Edge panel again. Swipe through the Edge panel to find the task panel. Now, tap Photo to open the camera app in photo mode right away. Given to the function, you can use it when you want to take a photo fast. Maybe something is happening right now and you don't want to miss it. The shortcut saves time and it's always ready on the side of your screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.